Mixin Network has offered a $20 million bug bounty to the exploiter behind a $200 million hack to return the remaining funds. Welcome to Finance Redefined, your weekly dose of essential decentralized finance insights, a newsletter crafted to bring you the most significant developments from the past week. And the past week in DeFi was dominated by developments in some of the OG DeFi protocols, with Uniswap Foundation announcing plans to raise $62 million in new funding, and decentralized Oracle service provider Chainlink brushing aside concerns about changes made to multi-signature wallets. Mixin Network, which was hacked for nearly $200 million in crypto assets on September 23, has now offered a $20 million bug bounty to exploiters for the return of the remaining funds, claiming a majority chunk of the stolen funds are user assets. Curve Finance founder Michael Egorov cut back his debts to $42 million and settled his entire Aave loan on September 28th. In crypto exchange, Upbit managed to stem a flood of fake Aptos tokens from the platform and resumed deposits and withdrawals for the token. Chainlink downplays worries after users notice quiet change to multisig, decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink has downplayed a recent change in the number of signers required on its multisig wallet, a move that garnered backlash on social media for vocal critics. Crypto researcher Chris Black is among several users on X, formerly Twitter, who called out Chainlink for quietly reducing the number of signatures required on its multi-signature wallet from 4 of -9 to 4 of -8. Continue reading. A decentralized exchange, Uniswap, is seeking an on-chain vote to approve the second tranche of the $74 million funding for its developer, Uniswap Foundation. According to the September 27 announcement, the second tranche of funding, with a buffer of 10% for price volatility, is worth an estimated $62 million, and it will be decided via an on-chain vote on October 4th. It approves the funds will be used for operations and research grants. The Uniswap Foundation is responsible for growing core protocol metrics, building a pipeline for innovation, and aligning incentives for stakeholders of the popular DEX. Continue reading. Michael Egorov, the founder of DeFi protocol Curve, recently settled his loans on the lending platform Aave, reducing his debt to $42.7 million across other protocols. According to the on-chain analytics platform Chain, the Curve founder deposited 68 million CRV tokens worth $35.5 million to lending protocol Silo and borrowed 10.77 million in CRVR in the last 2 days. And following this, Egorov swapped Sorview into Tether and paid all his debt on Aave. A good car. I've economies sold. Interested Gafis, a Mixin Network, decentralized cross-chain protocol, in a message to the hacker behind a $200 million exploit on September 23, has offered a $20 million bug bounty for the new return of remaining funds. Mixin Network encrypted the message with the exploiter transaction, requesting the exploiter to return the funds, as the majority of the stolen funds were user assets. Continue reading. A South Korean cryptocurrency exchange, Upbit, has resumed Aptos APT deposits and withdrawals after fixing an issue that saw a scam APT token incorrectly recognized as legitimate. On September 24, Upbit abruptly halted Aptos token services after noting an abnormal deposit attempt, prompting an inspection of the wallet system. The problem appears to have originated from a newly created fake APT token called claimappgift.com, which had made its way to 400,000 Aptos wallets after its creation on September 21st. Continue reading. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that DeFi's top 100 tokens by market capitalization had a bullish week, with most tokens trading in the green on weekly charts.
The total value locked into DeFi protocols reached $45.7 billion.
Thanks for reading our summary of this week's most impactful DeFi developments. Join us next Friday for more stories, insights, and education regarding this dynamically advancing space.